everything that you can think of in the studio is from IKEA. Because I love IKEA and I love the quality of product they provide. How about pens? Now usually I would spend about $100, but here I only spend $25. They're mostly for kids, right? We're just gonna have to figure that out. And to do that, I got 3 different challenges. So challenge number 1 is to draw the IKEA logo from memory using... We're going to test it. So I have to draw this all from memory, right? Okay, it's definitely easier than the Coca-Cola logo I did a while back. This pen looks like it's drying out. And while we're on the topic of all things Swedish, why not actually draw the name of PewDiePie? There's a lot that they could do about packaging though. It's hard to open, but hey, you get a pencil sharpener. That's cool. I double bought brushes. I didn't know that there were already 2 brushes. Translate my favorite quote, create something today, even if it sucks, and then letter it in Swedish.
Skapa något idag, även om det suger.
Även om det suger. Did they really translate that like super literally? If you're a Swedish person, please let us know if that's anything closely to what it should be saying.
Skapa något idag, även om det suger.
This set is amazing. The amount of pressure I need to put in feels like I'm wasting energy drawing. So the yellow is not picking up the blue even though I go over it just a tiny little bit. It's strange how it feels in your hand. So all of these tools here are called MÅLA, translates to paint. I actually understand nothing about Swedish or how they write their letters, but has a small dot on it and it makes a huge difference, as we just found out. I think it's time to review whether or not this is actually the right logo. Told you. Like if you'd squish it, but I feel like the distances are pretty accurate. Awesome. How likely am I to use these? They color, but not great. The quality doesn't look perfect. For $3, it's a really good deal. You'd rather invest it into something just a tiny little bit more expensive to get something a lot better. How likely am I to use these? These companies try to create coloring pencils that are really good and spend a lot of money doing so. This feels strange.
Isn't there like a word missing?
Are you telling me that now? Create something today if it sucks. Yeah, the even is actually really important. Yeah, now I cannot add it in anymore. I'm gonna show you what I would have done. How did I miss that word? So, PewDiePie on a piece of paper, and they work, and you can color well with them. They don't feel great. I'm gonna use these, but not gonna purchase them again. That's an original, Stefan, because there's a word missing. But it would be amazing though. We do make mistakes, but IKEA, I gotta tell you one thing. I definitely recommend it because it's really good and I love these small pens. The brush tip, that part here is super handy. This one thing here with this plastic thing that goes on top here, this lid. If you can fix that, to all the Swedish people, I'm sorry. I hope you still subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.